What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Exciting video today because I am at Tremec. I am at Tremec picking up my new trans for my Fox body. I've definitely been needing one, so this will be a great upgrade. So stay tuned because we're ready to pick it up, and then I will be unboxing it with you guys later in this video. So stay tuned. Alright, it is time to finally unbox the TKX. I'm so excited. We actually got the old trans out last night, so that was really fun. But I am just so excited that I am getting a new trans and clutch. Tremec has been awesome as far as like working with them and supporting racers, supporting the all-female True Street class and women who race. So I absolutely love what they stand for. And here it is. It is so nice. Alright guys, so this is my new TKX replacing my Tremec 3550. She's been a good soldier, but you know, on to bigger and better things as I improve the car, and you know, I'm doing the motor swap soon too, so more power. I'm definitely going to need the TKX, and I've heard nothing but great things. Just another important note: when you are purchasing a TKX, it does not come with oil. Tremec recommends their HP MTF oil, so make sure you get some of this when you are buying the new TKX. We have a lot of exciting content coming up. We are installing the trans, we got a new clutch and a new bell housing, so stay tuned for that install video coming up. Again, thank you so much, Tremec. I am so excited to be partnering with them. Thank you guys for watching with me, you know, coming with me to pick up my new trans. I'm excited to see what it's going to do this season on the track, and just kind of like feel the difference. So like I said, be on the lookout for that great content coming, and I will drop any links below, like for the oil or where you can pick up a TKX. Let me know if you have any questions. I know Tremec support is also really great as well. But yeah, guys, we're going racing this season. We're going to get down the track. It's going to be a great time this year and many years to come. Thank you so much for supporting me as always. Again, thank you so much, Tremec. And as always, guys, I'll see you in the next video.